In this video, I'll show you how to copy a directory and all of its contents to a new location with a different name on Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. Let's say you have a directory called Project in your home folder, and you want to copy everything inside it to a new directory called Project Backup. To do that, you use the cp command with two options, R and V. The R option stands for recursive. It makes sure everything inside the folder, including subfolders, is copied. The V option stands for verbose. It shows you what's being copied, which is helpful. Here's the full command: cp rv tilde project tilde project backup. Let's break that down. Cp is the command to copy files and folders. Rv are the options for recursive and verbose. Tilde project is the source folder. That's the folder you want to copy. Tilde project backup is the new folder. This is where everything will be copied to. If it doesn't already exist, it will be created. After running the command, you'll see a list of files being copied. This method works for any folder, not just in your home directory. Just make sure you use the correct path. If you're copying to a location that needs admin rights, add sudo at the beginning of the command. Like this: sudo cp rv/path /to/source /path /to /destination. That's it. You now know how to copy a directory and everything inside it to a new location under a new name on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.